loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do a full out tutorial to show you guys the easiest way to make a lace front wig if you are a beginner. I actually found this wig cap, which I think is like one of the best wig caps to use to make a lace front wig. So I decided to go ahead and share it with you guys and do a video on it. So all the information will be within this video, and I will be showing you guys step by step on how to create a lace front wig using this amazing wig cap. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching this video. The hair that I will be using to make my lace front wig is from the company, I believe it's pronounced Elemo Hair or Elemo. I'll give you guys the information within the video. But yeah, so I do have 3 bundles as well as a lace frontal. The bundles that I have are in the lengths 18, 20, and 22. And the frontal is a 18 inch. And the hair texture is a body wave texture. Okay, so the wig cap that I will be using is a mesh cap with adjustable straps, but this wig cap is a little bit different from the mesh caps that you usually see because it has like that lace front material in the front and, well, I'm sorry, lace material in the front. Now, this wig cap is mainly used if you were going to create an actual lace frontal, but I felt like it would be a good cap to use if you were a beginner because it actually outlines exactly where your frontal will be compared to if you were to make a lace front wig using a dome cap or a regular mesh cap with adjustable straps. So this wig cap I actually got off of Aliexpress. If I could find the direct link to it, I will leave it down below in the description section. So like I stated before, this is a mesh cap with adjustable straps. It comes in a brown color. I think this is like the only color that I saw on Aliexpress. And then it has like the lace material in the front where it shows exactly where you're supposed to place your lace frontal at. Another thing about this wig cap, it's very stretchable, so it's not like the regular mesh caps where it only has a little bit of pull to it. This has a lot of pull to it. So basically what I'm going to go ahead and show you is exactly where you should lay your lace front on this type of wig cap. So on this wig cap, it kind of have a half moon or a U shape, and that's exactly where you should lay the middle of the back of your frontal at. And then all you need to do is actually just lay down the sides on the sides of the wig cap, use your T-pins, and then start to sew. So this is super easy because I know that when I first started doing lace front wigs, I know it was really difficult to kind of position the lace frontal on my dome cap or on my mesh cap because for some reason it would still be bulky in the back, or the back of the frontal wouldn't lay down properly. But with this type of wig cap, if you are a beginner when it comes to doing lace front wigs, this will definitely help you with showing you exactly where you should lay your lace frontal. So after you went ahead and pinned down your lace frontal, the next thing of course is to sew it down. And once you sew it down, the last thing that you have to do is go ahead and apply your wefts onto the back of the cap, and then you're done. I think you could probably get done with the lace front wig in about like an hour and a half if you use this wig cap. So with this lace front wig, I actually did not sew down the wefts because I wanted to hurry up and get finished with making the wig. So I did use the hot glue gun method, and I'll just show you guys from start to finish on exactly how I made my hot glue gun wig. So I wanted to give you a little bit of information about the hair that I am using. Like I said, this is from the company Elemo Hair. And what I wanted to tell you about their hair is, one, when I was I did bleach the knots, and the knots once again was the knots were a little bit stubborn on this frontal. It took about 40 to 45 minutes or actually a little bit longer for the knots to start bleaching, and all the knots didn't even bleach. So I will have to go in and do the face powder method with this frontal. I did notice that the hairline, they did a very good job with pre-plucking the hairline on this frontal. I really did not have to go in after them and pluck too many hairs out, but they do come with a very natural looking hairline. Another thing about this hair, I love the texture of the hair. The body wave, it was super soft. The frontal as well as the bundles, the texture matches perfectly. This hair takes very well to heat. I did not color the hair, but I will come back and actually will be coming back and doing a final review. So if you guys want to see a coloring tutorial, let me know, and I'll go ahead and do a coloring tutorial for this hair. But basically, overall, I would recommend this hair. I would definitely give this hair like a 9 out of 10. The only reason that I didn't give it a 10 out of 10 is the fact that the knots, it took a while for the knots to bleach. But other than that, I didn't have any issues with this hair. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how I installed the wig and how I styled it, and show you guys the final look. So as you guys can see throughout the video, it didn't take any time at all to make my lace front wig. I am really in love with this cap, and I really love the hair as well. So if you guys are interested in Elemo Hair, I will give you all the information down below in the description section. The only thing that I have to do now is basically, I did use some Got2b gel to lay down the front hairline, but I didn't have to do too much. I didn't have to install an elastic band into this wig. I just basically put the wig on, and that's about it. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. And then make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at @I am_Shay Amour. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.